Hello, I am going to show you my XNA project. It's a work in progress, so if you see any bugs, please ignore them. Okay, so first thing I want to show you is this animated object. It's being lit by different lights in the scene. So this is using deferred renderer. And the next thing I want to show you is this portal system. You can see this window, which is looking into this room. 3 objects, but actually it's only rendering what the window sees, which is currently 2, again 2. And now if we go to the front of the room, again it's doing the same thing. And instead of doing any complicated portals, I just did a simple square portal. It's a little more efficient doing that way. Again, you'll see 2 boxes through the window, and only what the window sees is what we see too. Next, I want to show you collisions. This is a pillar in front of me. I'll get around to where the light is. So I'll go through the pillar. Again, same with the walls. As you can see again, they're the spotlights over there, the blue, and there's actually a point light also being rendered there. So, and now I want to show you the spatial partitioning. As you can see, there are all these objects. If I turn around and I disable all the objects behind the camera, so that this is just the debug technique which I've done to test the spatial partitioning algorithm. So I've disabled everything behind the camera. Now if I look around, everything behind the camera has been, this is what was being rendered. Only this was being rendered when the camera was at this position here. I can enable everything again. You can do that anytime. If you see this pillar, this green pillar on the left in the building, if I move the camera to the right and disable everything, so that's been disabled. I can enable again. All these dynamic objects, for example, the player, like the camera, there's actually a player behind it for test reasons and game mechanics. You can see these objects, animated keyframe objects, like this platform and this thing which is in the background moving from left to right. These actually have to traverse this spatial partitioning tree, otherwise they'll disappear. So that's it. Oh, and sorry, we have this animated skinned object. The game engine does support animated objects and skinned, and this is actually been normal mapped. It has a specular map, but it does not have a diffuse map at the moment. And that's it. Thank you.